Welcome to this special briefing on the Nueces River flood. Today is Sunday, October 20th. I'm lead forecaster Jason Runyon. Here's an overview of the situation. This event began as a significant heavy rainfall event last weekend across portions of the brush country and has produced major flooding on the Nueces River. Flooding has been observed miles from the main channel in some areas across McMullen County. This is a dangerous life and property threat along the Nueces River from southern McMullen County to near Three Rivers to Lake Corpus Christi. Rises will begin occurring by midweek at Lake Corpus Christi, and there is a decent possibility Lake Corpus Christi will fill to near capacity. This event again began as a heavy rainfall event in the headwaters of the Nueces River. The Nueces River on this map is highlighted in blue, and last weekend we saw a heavy rainfall event occur across the brush country where a bullseye of nearly 15 to 17 inches of rain fell across Dimmitt County. Here's a satellite image taken from yesterday, Saturday, October 19th. The Nueces River, highlighted in blue here, runs through southeastern LaSalle County, southern McMullen County, and into Live Oak County. The image caught a swollen Nueces River in some areas across southern McMullen County and southeastern Live Oak County. It has been observed to be flooding 1 to 2 miles away from the main channel. Today's satellite pass was a little bit more difficult to see the flood wave, but it is still there across southern McMullen County and now through Live Oak County, south of Three Rivers, extending down to near George West. Here's a few aerial photos of the Nueces River in McMullen and Live Oak counties showing the extent of the ongoing major flooding. Looking at the Nueces River at Cotulla, the crest actually occurred last Thursday at this point. It was the fourth highest crest on record. A continued gradual fall to the river at Cotulla will occur, with it falling below flood stage Monday morning. The Nueces River near Tilden's crest occurred Thursday night, its third highest crest on record. A slow fall will continue tonight and Monday, but remain in major flood through next weekend. And the Nueces River near Three Rivers, its crest is occurring tonight into Monday morning with a crest near 40 feet. This is comparable to the 2003 flood. It will remain in major flood through next weekend. A closer look at the Nueces River near Three Rivers. The Nueces River actually flows south of Three Rivers by about 2 miles. However, the Frio River, which connects into the Nueces River, is backing up due to the flood along the Nueces River, and there is now flooding being observed in portions of the Tips Park area. The flood wave has reached through Three Rivers and is now, as of this evening, Sunday evening, extending down to near the George West area. There have been some reports of rises along the Nueces River further south down near De Niro and into the headwaters of Lake Corpus Christi, but that is not associated yet with the main flood wave. The main flood wave will arrive into those areas tomorrow and then into Lake Corpus Christi tomorrow night into Tuesday. There are some subdivisions along the Nueces River south of Three Rivers heading towards areas east of George West that we'll have to watch out for, including the Swimming Hole RV Park, River Creek Acres, Shady Oak Grove, Kilner Camp, Jones River Bend, and Buckeye Knoll. There are approximately just over 100 occupied homes along the river in these subdivisions that may either flood or be cut off by this flood. There is some good news from this flood. Lake Corpus Christi has been in pretty bad shape over the past year or two. It was last at capacity back in September of 2010, and it currently sits at 27.8% of capacity. It is expected that rises will begin occurring midweek at Lake Corpus Christi and continuing for the next 7 to 10 days, and there is a good chance that Lake Corpus Christi will be filled to near capacity. With regards to additional rainfall, there is chances for rain mainly late tonight, Monday and Monday night across South Texas. However, rainfall amounts upstream of Lake Corpus Christi will be a tenth of an inch or less and should not have any impact on the ongoing flood. So to summarize the impact, major lowland flooding is occurring. Flooding miles from the main channel in some areas across McMullen County has been observed. This is a dangerous life and property threat from southern McMullen County to near Three Rivers to Lake Corpus Christi, with flooding of some homes, roads, and bridges in the floodplain. Hunting cabins, oil-filled tank batteries, pump jacks, and irrigation pumps in low areas are flooding, and cattle have been cut off in the floodplain. Rises will begin at Lake Corpus Christi by midweek, and there is a decent possibility Lake Corpus Christi will fill to near capacity over the course of the next 7 to 10 days. Any additional rainfall should not impact the ongoing flood. And it is too soon to determine what, if any, impacts may occur downstream of Lake Corpus Christi. Releases from Lake Corpus Christi will be dictated by the city of Corpus Christi. Thanks for watching this special briefing on the Nueces River flood. For additional weather briefings, check out our South Texas Daily Weather Briefings available at weather.gov/Corpus Christi.